I use Unreal Engine to make my games, and I use Blender to make my models. Probably around a year, I think. It's terrible, I hate it. I'll probably recreate the game someday, who knows. Hell, if I know, it'll probably be something original and not a parody game. I do have one game planned, Scooby Horror Arcade. Nothing really, just popped into my head, I guess. I don't really have a favorite horror movie, I guess, but my favorite game is Dead by Daylight. Hell yeah, of course. I'd probably just stick to PC, to be honest. Eventually, yeah. I will continue to make more parody games, I guess, but I guess for the future I'd probably just continue making original horror games. I don't get enough of them, so I have no point in doing that. It's pretty cool, to be honest. I'm terrible at it. Just look at all my animations. Games. If I stop making games, I'll just continue doing 3D modeling. I think Strange Terror from Beyond the Stars is probably the one I'm the most proud of. I'd probably say Dora's Dead is probably the one I'm the most scared of. And my favorite game, I guess I'd probably say Bunky. Well, that concludes the Q&A. Now I'm gonna go to bed. Shit.